Namaste. So today's topic is articular capsule and its thickening. So it is also known as capsular ligaments. Each joint is surrounded by a tubular, dense fibrous capsule which is attached to the articular line of the participating bone. The size and the shape of the tube varies with that of the articulating bone during fetal life. The capsule is attached to the epiphyseal cartilage, which is represented by an epiphyseal line in an adult individual. During the development at that attachment of capsule undergo migration. As a result of this migration, the epiphyseal line may become completely or partially intracapsule or extracapsule. So articular capsule example is epiphysis. Epiphyseal line of the head of fiber is completely intracellular. Epiphyseal line of the lower end of fiber is completely intracellular. Then the upper and the partially extracapsule are extracapsular. The fibrous capsule of the joint may be strengthened by adjacent muscles, tendon, and accessory ligament or true ligament. Small nerves and vessels are piercing the capsule. The synovial membrane may protrude out of the capsule through hole and form brucei which reduce the friction during the movement. Articular capsule example is, you can see this is the articular capsule. This is the lateral view, so you can see its subparts also. Then capsular ligament. In the region of the constant stress and strain, the collagen fiber of the capsules are arranged parallel to the line of the stress and strain and form capsule ligament. For example, radial collateral ligament of elbow joint, ulnar collateral ligament of elbow joint. So you can see more example here. Hip joint. Then function of the joint capsule, it unites the articular end of the participating bone. Its flexible nature allow the movement. Due to great tensile strength, it resists dislocation. Accessory ligament, the articular bones and are usually connected by a variable number of ligaments which are additional to the articular capsule and capsule ligament. This may be extracapsular accessory ligaments. This type is more common. Coraconavicular ligament, it is an accessory ligament of joint which is mainly responsible for perfect connection and strength of the joint independent of the articular capsule. Sacropinous ligament is also the accessory ligament. Then extracapsular accessory ligament, they are less common but relatively more important as compared with the extracellular ligament. Like ligament of head of fiber, it is accessory ligament of the hip joint. It helps in nutrition of the head of the femur in new adult. So here we have completed this. Hope you will like this video and you will understand about the topic. You will understand about the capsule and synovial capsule and articular capsule. So thank you. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.